It was loud, it was strong as his love for us, actually.
Aletha Gomez cried as she heard her loved one's heart beating in another man's chest. Her son's father, Perry Choi, died unexpectedly last year after suffering a stroke. He told Gomez his final wish.
Told me that, when I passed away, when I die, what am I gonna do with it? It's like, might as well, donate it and save, more lives.
His death gave new life to others, including 63-year-old Jim Donovan. Donovan, who suffered from congestive heart failure, is grateful to Aletha and Perry for his new lease on life.
I'm going to go see my grandchildren and try to celebrate life again, a second chance.
This is InsideEdition.com.